Hey, what's up, guys? The manufacturer, AvaPow, sent me this jump starter and power bank for free so I could check it out and let you know what I think about it. So first thing, I just want to do an unboxing for this video and let you know what it comes with so you can see it for yourself fresh. So first thing I can show you, pulling it out of the box, throw that over there, is that it comes in a really nice, strong, sturdy case. I love that. Case has a nice carrying handle on it. We'll unzip it and see what's in here. Open that up. And up top here, you can see that we have the cables, your charger, some quick start guides in here. And I'm not totally sure what this piece is yet, so I'll have to read and figure that out. And then the actual jump starter and power bank itself. This thing looks really nice. It feels really strong and sturdy. So I'm super excited. So I have a car outside that I need to jump. So I'm going to go do that. I'll make another video. But for this one, again, I just wanted to show you what it looked like out of the box.